Welcome to Peter Evans Art. Today we are going to be drawing a
dolphin.
I'm joined here by Arie and I'm Peter. How old are you, Arie?
7.
7. You don't need to know how old I am. Let's get down to drawing the dolphin. Now remember, a dolphin is made up of simple lines and shapes. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty. The first shape we're going to draw is the front of the dolphin. Okay, I'm going to start with the dolphin's front, the bill. So we're just going to start with a shape like so. Then I'm going to bring the dolphin down and curve him around like so. Now, I'm just going to bring this a little bit across there. Down off the bottom of there. And I'm just going to bring mine up a bit so you can see it all in the picture. And there we are. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is bring this line around and then bring him down and to meet up with this bottom edge here. So just drawing it lightly until I'm happy with that curve. And you can see that I've got that. Now remember, if I'm going too fast for you, you can pause it. So that comes down and around like so. On the back of the dolphin, I'm going to draw
his fin on the back of his back.
Then we're going to draw this part. One in front, then one on behind, like so. Then we're going to draw the tail coming around like this, almost like a semi-circle, so like that, one big line. Then we're going to get this and we're going to round it. We're going to come in, out, and then back in for the tail. So back, out, and around, like so. Now this one looks a little bit, might bring him out a bit more. There we go. Got the flippers on. All right, now we're going to put the eye on, a little line for the eye, and come up and over like so. Then we're going to draw a little piece like this. Looking good. And then I might draw some little bits coming off. Some water splashes. So his tail's dripping a bit of water. I might put a few more little droplets down next to the bottom of his tail. Yep, I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, forgot his smile. He's got a big nice smile there, like so. Okay, time for the Sharpie. Now this line here is not what we need, so we're just going to do that. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more, make his, see I've made his flipper a little bit bigger, just because I think he needs a bigger flipper. Try and do this as neatly as possible. Make sure you got some paper underneath, because we don't want this pen, this is a permanent marker going through. You can use a normal black outliner like an art line pen or something else, but I've just got a Sharpie. Try and make this curve really natural. And I'm just bringing it down and around. And there we have the fin, the eyes. I'm going to colour that in. The front here, make sure he's a happy dolphin. Dolphins have a beautiful life swimming around with all their friends. And I changed the tail a little bit there. Then don't forget the water droplets. And then we're going to rub that out. rub out all our pencil lines. I like to hold the paper while I'm doing that so it doesn't scrunch up. Sometimes when you rub and you don't hold the paper, it can rip or scrunch up on you. You don't want to do that. Okay, testing the colours. It's a nice one. Let's have a look at this blue. Ooh, I like that one as my main blue. And ooh, so I might use this blue for the main part of the dolphin. So I'm just gonna draw a line here for the belly, and that comes down and around into there. And I'm going to leave some highlights. So some highlights along the top of the dolphin, down about there, and then some highlights up there. And the rest I'm going to, maybe a little bit on the tail. And I'm going to start colouring that in now.
I've sped the video up, but you can still see what I'm doing. I'm doing the mid colour all through the section, following the shape of the dolphin, going around areas carefully, applying an even amount of pressure with the pencil and layering where I need to. You can see that I've left some highlights. I've left underneath the belly, colouring in, just putting down my mid colour. Now I'm putting down the lighter, different colour of the belly, because dolphins have a lighter underside, and colouring in the water. Now I'm adding the darker areas on the bottom right hand side of the objects to provide a bit of, to make it look a little bit 3D. Now I can create darker areas with pressure, a darker pencil, or layering. So if I only had one blue, I could just press harder, but I've got multiple blues in my pencil set. You can see I'm just touching up a few little areas, adding a few little dark black bits. Here I'm just putting on the finishing touches. At the end you'll see Arie's awesome dolphin. I just love the way kids draw, and remember, the more the practice, the better you're going to get at drawing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed drawing the dolphin. See you next time. Bye for now.